What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. And then do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. And then do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Well, we got another day in the books for cryptocurrency, another day in the book for Bitcoin. Things have been looking good today. Today, we're going to talk about two of the top 10 meme coins that you should have on your radar that you should be paying attention to. But first, before we get into the topic of the day, let's take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently today, Bitcoin is at 68,624. We was hoping and expecting Bitcoin to pump and rise. Nonetheless, it's 68,624. But we know this is a 3-day weekend. We got all day Saturday, all day Sunday, and the stock market is closed on Monday. So we got 3 days to ourselves to where it's just crypto, no stock market, no SEC, no Gary Gensler, none of that stuff to interfere and mess with the flow of cryptocurrency. So I love when the weekend comes, the stock market shut down. We got an extra day with the week holiday on Monday. So we're going to see how that plays out through the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Also, the Bitcoin dominance is at 53.1. We know yesterday, we did get to 52.9, so we are still at a low level. We're still expecting it to decrease is what I'm looking for, because we know when the Bitcoin dominance increase, all your altcoins will be increasing as the Bitcoin dominance decrease. The Fear and Greed Index is still at 64. I think it may have been 66 yesterday, so Bitcoin is not really running up. Folks are in a little bit of fear now. Shame on them for being fearful at this point in time in cryptocurrency, but it is what it is, so all we can do is rock with it. So that's that. Now let's talk about the topic of the day, and that is two of the top 10 meme coins that you should have on your radar that you should be paying attention to. Now the first meme coin is the hottest meme coin around, and that's none other than Turbo Meme Coin. This coin has been going parabolic over the past 3 days. We've been making exponential gains in this coin. My inbox is blowing up. Everybody is asking me, Coach, how'd you call that play? How'd you get in that play so early? Some folks in my inbox, they're thanking me for calling the play because they have made monumental gains, life-changing gains, because we called this play 6-7 months ago. We've already done a 10x easy in this play, expecting to do another 10x. So we're looking at doing 100x because we got in this play so early. Currently, Turbo token is number 269, largest cryptocurrency coin. When we first saw this coin, it was in the top 900. Now it's in the top 200. So that just shows how much this coin have grown. Currently, the price is 0.00428. And on the day, this doggone coin is up 52%. Yesterday, the market cap for this coin was about $112 million. Today, the market cap for this coin is $237 million. Like that commercial say, oh, what a difference a day make. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, meme coins, these doggone meme coins can change your portfolio overnight. 52% just today. Yesterday, we was running up about 48, another 50% yesterday. This meme coin has been going parabolic. A lot of eyes is on this meme coin. A lot of folks are starting to pay attention to Turbo Coin. We know all the news, positive news going on with Ethereum right now. That might have been one of the things that sparked this play. This is one of the meme coins that's on the Ethereum blockchain. Previously to that, a lot of the meme coins that have been pumping was on the Solana platform. But as you can see recently, Pepe started to perform well. Then after that, Turbo Coin started to really go parabolic and really place a lot of eyes, a lot of focus is on Turbo Coin like now. So the popularity for this coin is starting to go through the roof, which is good because that's what it takes to become a successful meme coin. And Turbo is lining up well to become one of the top 10 meme coins to perform in this particular cycle. So if you don't have no skin in the game in this play, you may want to put it on your radar. The person was asking me yesterday, he was like, Coach, I see this play is up 48%. Should I get in right now? I'm like, man, this play is in parabolic mode. You might want to get some skin in the game right now because you can mess around and wait, and the next day it'll be up 50%. He hit me today. He was like, thanks, coach. I got in that play, and now I'm up 50%. So you never know what a top is. You never know if it's going to continue to go through the roof. Turbo is one of the ones that is continuing to go through the roof. Like I said yesterday, this coin still had a chance to do a 100x. Folks was buying it when it was 0.001. And I said, hey, this play will probably go to 10 cent. And if it go to 10 cent, that will be your 100x. Well, today, this play is at 0.004. So soon it will be knocking off another zero. It will get to 1 penny. Right now, it is almost a half a penny. Soon it'll knock off another zero, getting to 1 penny. After that, it'll be working on getting to 10 cent. And just like that, that will be your 100x. This play could easily perform and do a 100x within a matter of 4 weeks. Folks were buying it 2 days ago at 0.001. How long will it take for this play to get to 10 cent? It could be 4 weeks, it could be 5 weeks, and boom, just like that, you got a coin that have done a 100x in a matter of 5 or 6 weeks. We are really getting close to altcoin season. Obviously, these coins are really triggering, going to parabolic mode. We know this cycle is very aggressive. A lot of things are happening a lot faster than they happened the previous cycle. So we're looking to possibly see altcoins start to show up and rear its head faster, sooner, and way more aggressive than it did in the previous cycle. So Turbo has been one of the coins that have really taken our portfolio and placed it on a whole nother level. And we're also expecting Turbo to continue to run, to continue to pump. So all we'll be doing is keeping our money in Turbo. If it do dip, boom, we're going to dollar cost average in because it's still early. We know Turbo will continue to gain traction, will continue to gain steam as the community starts to grow, as the popularity starts to grow. This coin will continue to rip. This coin will continue to run. And like I say, like the late great Bill Withers say, good things come to those who wait, but not to those who wait too late. You don't want to be waiting, buying Turbo when it get to 10 cent. So that's what I feel about Turbo. That's my information on Turbo. You might want to put that coin on your radar, get a little bit of skin in the game, play it how you want to play it. Come over there, join us on the Patreon. That's when I first called this play months ago. So if you got in there, you are really making a lot of money on that particular play. Now the next play we're going to talk about is CWIF, and that's CatWifHat. We've been watching this play. We've been monitoring this play for several months. We first got this play on the Soulflare wallet, which is a Solana wallet. This is another meme coin on the Solana ecosystem. This particular play, we found it from an airdrop. It was airdropped and placed in our account. We looked at it, watched it, got a little bit of skin in the game, and monitored this play. This play was going up and down, up and down. When it go down, we would just dollar cost average in. But most recently, we started to see this play start to catch some steam. After so long, it was being dragged down. This is a fairly new coin. This coin just came out in February 2024. It came down real low. It's already done an 18x just in a matter of a couple of months. And as of lately, most recently, we've been seeing the resistant levels for CWIF, which is CatWifHat. We've been seeing that resistance level starts to get tested. Yesterday, last night, we saw the resistance level break. So we like, you know what? This is the same thing we were seeing when we were looking at Turbo coin. CatWifHat is getting ready to have a crazy blow off top, in my opinion. This is currently the number 714 largest coin in the world. The market cap for this coin is $37 million. Eerily similar to Turbo. The price for this coin is 0.000001041. That's 5 zeros and 1. Just a few days ago, it was at 6 zeros and 8. 6 zeros and 7, something like that. It recently dropped to 0. So we are looking for this coin to run. We're looking for this coin to catch a little bit of steam as a lot of the other meme coins start to rip. But I was looking at the charts, looking at the resistance levels getting tested. Last night we saw the resistance levels break for CWIF CatWifHat. We are ready to go all in on this particular play. and make exponential gains the same way we did in Turbo. Now, will this be the next WIF meme coin? Well, we seen CWIF. That was the first WIF coin. WIF, CWIF. That coin came out on the scene. It really started to pump. It did a 30x real quick. It made it all the way to the top 50 largest coins in the world, and that was outstanding, magnificent. Currently, CWIF is a $3 billion market cap. It's on Binance, so forth and so on. CatWifHat, will it be the next WIF coin? The market cap is $37 million. So all this coin would have to do is get to $3.7 billion market cap, and that would be a 100x. Right now, we're just knocking out the park with calling these plays, hitting a 100x here, a 50x there. We've been doing, my people behind the scene have been doing an excellent job doing the research, calling these plays, and as they call these plays, I'm bringing these plays to you right here on the Stock Holiday channel. So like I say, come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. Nice community. So come on over there, hit the button. But like I say, I just come to y'all every evening just to continue to bring y'all that good motivation, coming to y'all every evening to give y'all that good encouragement. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.